Hi there everyone, and welcome back to another Cronysoft onboarding tutorial. In this video, we'll walk through the merchant integration process located under My Account Services. Merchant integration allows business to submit merchant processing applications directly through Cronysoft, so you can begin accepting card payments and payment processing services. Do keep in mind that all fields marked with the red asterisk are required fields and must be completed accurately before submitting the application. To begin, click on your profile icon at the top right corner and select My Account. Next, head over to the Services tab. Under Third-Party Services, you can see Merchant Application. To begin filling out the merchant application, click the Setup button under the Actions column. This will open the Merchant Service onboarding form. The first section is the contact information. Over here, enter the required contact details that will be including the first name, last name, email address, and phone number. Make sure all fields marked with the red asterisk are completed. Once finished, click Next. In the next section, we'll complete the business information. Over here, you'll enter your business legal name, DBA name, tax file name, tax ID or EIN, and type of ownership. You'll also complete the business profile information including business description, industry or MCC, business start date, website, and business phone number. Then complete the business address section and if needed, the business legal mailing address section as well. If the business legal mailing address is the same as the business address, just check the box that says same as business address. Once all required information has been entered, click on Next. Now we move to the owner information section. To add a business owner, click Add Business Owner at the top right. This opens the business owner information form. Fill out the required details like the first name, last name, percent ownership, SSN, date of birth, phone number, address information, and license information. Once all of that is completed, click Save. The owner information will now appear in the list below. You also have the option to edit the owner information if changes are required or delete the owner entirely if necessary. Once all owner information has been added, click Next. In the final step of the process, you'll be required to add in bank account details. First, complete the deposit bank account information, then complete the withdrawal bank account information. If the withdrawal account is the same as the deposit, simply enable the checkbox that says Same as Deposit Account. Next, we'll complete the processing volume section. Over here, you'll enter average monthly card volume, average transaction amount. Then select the card types your business accepts, such as credit, debit, American Express, Discover, or EBT. If EBT is selected, do make sure to enter the FNS number. Once all this information has been completed, click Save or Submit to finalize the merchant application. And that's how you complete the merchant integration onboarding process in Cronysoft. Be sure to review all information carefully before submitting to help avoid delays during the approval process. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to check out our playlist, like, share, and subscribe, and turn the bell notification so you guys can stay updated with all our upcoming tutorials. I'll see you guys in our next video.